Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Sorry, I said good afternoon. Hello, good evening. How are you today?
I'm okay. And you?
I'm also okay. How about the COVID-19 in your country? You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. So have you already eat your dinner? Have you?
Yes.
Okay, wow. That's very good. So what did you eat? Noodles, fish, or what? What? What did you eat? Pork?
I eat
What you eat?
rice.
Okay, you eat rice and fish? Hello?
No. Egg.
Okay. Rice and noodles?
Egg.
What is that? Okay. Do you have a homework? Are you sure? Did you forget your homework, right? Did you forget? Okay, I send you a homework. What is that? Just wait for a while. Do you have a homework or none? None?
No.
Okay, so it's okay, okay? Better luck next time. You will do your homework, okay?
I don't know.
You don't know. I send
I don't know.
you. Wow. Okay. Just wait for a while. I will. Our last is. Just wait. Okay. So your homework is all about. Did you forget it?
I forget, but I don't know.
Okay. Just wait for a minute. Okay. So homework. Your homework is find out 5 more facts about Everest. Do you know about Everest?
I don't know.
Okay, so
Everest.
yes,
Mount
Everest.
Everest is highest
What?
in the no.
Do you know about that? Yes or no? I will give you an answer, okay? So, there are Everest. Hello, can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes. Everest is Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level. Do you know about Everest? Ready?
Yes, I know.
Okay, that's a very good. So, did you see Mount Everest?
No.
Okay, Everest is a 2015 biographical adventure film directed and produced by Baltasar Kormacor and written by William Nicholson and Simon Beaufoy. So that is Everest. Everest is the Great Himalayas of Southern Asia. Okay, do you know about Asia?
Isa?
Yes, Asia. Okay, so let's start our lesson for today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your assignment is all about Everest, and now that is a world. Okay, did you see the screen?
Screen. No.
Did you see the slide?
Yes, yes.
Welcome to the Pantadas class. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so just tell teacher if you cannot see, okay? So second slide, can you see it?
Yes.
So what is in your slide?
No.
Only Pantado? Did
No.
okay, did you see unit 23?
Yes, I see.
Okay, very good. So today, our lesson for today is all about unit 23 and world, weather, and work. Okay, please read that.
Yes. Work, weather, and work.
Okay, so we must learn today about world, weather, and work. So are you ready to listen?
Yes, I read it.
Okay, very good. So you like history, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Can we see an internet or a sky? Look at, can you see the picture?
Yes, I
Okay,
see.
can you see an internet in a sky? Look at. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the answer is no. Why? Okay, can you read it?
Yes. Now we always say the internet because it's the name of something in the sky. Because there is only one sky on our planet.
Okay, so he asked a question. Can we see an internet, a sky? So the answer is no. Why? Because we always say the internet, it's the name of something. So internet, it's a name of communication, right? Just remember that. So we use
Yes.
an internet today to communicate with other people, right? So
Yes.
the sky is different to the internet. Why? Because there is only one sky on our planet, and internet can't be a sky. Okay? Just remember that.
Okay.
Okay, sky is on the planet, right? And
Yes.
internet is in the where? Internet is on making
Only on
communication.
sky.
Yes, making communication to the other people. Okay, that is the way so that we can communicate with each other. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you see the slide already? Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that's very good. Okay, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the line. So look at, can you see there are words in the outside the box? Can you see it? In a green color. Can you see the words, right? Okay.
Yes.
So now, please read it and answer. Okay? I know you can do it. So example number 1. I will read it. Businessmen and businesswomen go to this place to work and have meetings. So example, where are the people going to work? Where is the place where the people going to work? What do we call that? That is
In
an,
office.
okay, so that is an
An
office.
office.
Okay, wow, that's a very good. Okay, number 1, can you read that?
When you are online, you can find all kinds of information on this.
Okay, so what do you think is the answer? When you are online, you can find all kinds of information on this. So what do you think is the answer? Can you choose the green words outside the box? Okay, so
So,
where do you
Wi-Fi.
oh, where you can find all kinds of information? So let's see if you're correct. Okay, that
Websites.
yes. Why? Because website can help you to find all kinds of information. Okay? Wi-Fi is only a connection. Okay? Just remember that.
Okay.
Okay, number 2.
This this person can eat a fruit that has a hole in it.
Okay, so what do you think will fix a tooth? Fix a tooth or a teeth? If you have a toothache, what do you think? What do you call that person?
Eyes.
What do you call the person who fix your teeth or tooth? Did you ever go there in her clinic or in his clinic? Okay, just read it. What do you
Eyes.
think? Don't forget
Open
it.
eyes.
If you have an headache, stomach ache, it is called doctor, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what happened if your teeth have a problem? Where did you go? What do you think? Just look at the green words. There is a person under green words. That is the answer of number 2. Do you know? Yes or no?
No.
Are you sure? I know you can do it. Try to answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, try it. Teacher will wait for you. What do you think is the answer? Start with letter D. That is do you think? That is a then that is a dentist. Can you see the answer?
Yes, a dentist.
Okay, so just remember the person can fix a thought that has a hole in it. So that is a dentist, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so number 3.
If you visit this favorite place in the rocks, you might see bats inside.
Okay, so if you best set this very dark place in the rocks, you might see bats inside it. What do you think? That is a dark place. And there are many rocks on that. Okay, what is your answer? Ah, okay. A storm is a weather, right? That is not a place.
Yes.
Yes. So what do you think is the correct answer? Look at the green words. So there are place in the words. So what do you think is the answer? That is a, do you know? Yes or no? I will answer.
Cave. Cave.
Yes, that is a cave. Very good. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, just do it. Okay, don't easily surrender, okay? And you can do it. You
might
feel frightened.
frightened in this now. Wet and windy type of weather. The
Okay.
sky.
Okay, you might feel frightened in this loud, wet, and windy kind of weather. So what is that? Let's check. Okay, so that is a storm. Why? A storm has a loud, wet, and windy. Okay? A storm is like, have you experienced a storm in your place? There is a loud, right? A loud, a wet, and a very windy kind of weather. That is a storm. Okay? So number 5.
Okay. Number 5. You might see this person sing or play an instrument on TV.
Okay, you might see this person sing or play an instrument on TV. So what is that?
Wi-Fi.
Okay. That is a person. Okay, Wi-Fi is not a person, right?
I am not
Okay, that is a pop star. Just remember, okay? Okay, number 6.
in this kind of weather is very difficult to see places that
Places
are
that are far away. So what is the answer? If this kind of weather, it's a very difficult to see places that are far away.
weather.
Okay, so that is a fog.
Fog.
Yes, a fog. In this kind of weather, look at, it's a very difficult to see places.
Oh,
Did you see a fog? That if you are going to
yes,
go to the other
I
place,
see.
you cannot see the area that you want to go. Why? Because there is a fog. Okay? So number 7.
Okay. Only planes that don't need lots of water can grow in this hot, dry place. On planes.
Okay, only plants that don't need lots of water can grow in this hot, dry place. Okay, what is your answer? That is a desert.
Desert. I know desert.
Okay, you know already, right? Okay, number 8. Continue.
You look at ghosts in and pictures on the top of a computer when you're studying.
Okay, you look at words and picture on the part of a computer when you are studying. So what is that? When you are studying, you will look at the computer. So where you can look at? In what do you call that? Example, your iPhone, right? In the front of your iPhone, what do you call that?
The land.
Okay, that is a screen. Yes, did your iPad has a screen? Yes, so you look at words and pictures on the part of a computer. So that is a screen, okay? Okay, number 9.
Look at up when you are outside in the day or at night, and you will always see this.
Okay, so what is that? Look up when you're outside in the day or at night, you will also see this. So what is in the heaven that you can always see? And day and at night.
Day and night.
Yes. Do you know the answer?
The sky.
Yes, very good. It is a sky. Okay, last.
This is it water that moves up and down in the wind.
Yes, this is seawater that moves up and down. What do you call is that if you are going to the sea? And you can see this. The water is moves up, moves down. What do you think is that? That is what is the answer? Did you see a seawater?
The land uh, mm,
Okay, if you are going to swim, there is a seawater that moves up and down. So what do you call is that? I know you can do it.
wave.
Yes, very good. A wave. Okay, good job. And 10 questions and has an answer, please remember this, okay? An office where you were going to work, a website where you can find all the information, just remember that, and a dentist that can fix your tooth, right? Then a cave that is a dark place in the rocks. Just remember that, okay? A storm. There is a loud, wet, and windy kind of weather. A pop star is that is a person who sing or play an instrument on TV. Just remember that. So if you are going to see the places that are far away, you cannot see that place. Why? Because there is a fog. Okay? Okay, are you
Okay.
okay? So very good. Now, a desert is the plants don't need lots of water because there are plants can grow in this hot, dry place. Okay? But not all plants, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you look at words, pictures on the computer, when you are studying, you will see a screen, right? Just remember that. Okay. When you look up outside in the day or a night, there is a sky. Okay, sky is always there. Okay, just remember that. So if you are in the sea water, that it moves up and down in the wind, that is called a wave. Okay? Clear?
Okay.
Okay, do you have a question? Do you have a question? Okay, don't shy. Please tell me your question. Okay, what is your question? Do you have a question? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so let's continue.
Okay.
Okay, so do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's proceed. So add information to Mr. Wild's business email you choose. Okay, so look at the picture. What can you see in the picture?
I see email.
Yes, very good. There is an email on the laptop. Okay, let's find out. What is that? Okay, now we have an email. Did you see the screen and the slide? Okay, you can chat me always, okay?
Okay.
Okay, don't try to teacher, okay? So we have an email, look at. So good morning, Dan. Okay, please read that.
Thanks for the messenger
Message.
message. Actually, I got an
Engineers meeting.
engineers meeting at 9:30, and after that, I need to add some important information about our.
Okay, just leave that, okay? Let's answer that after you read it, okay?
Okay.
So, some important information about are, so that is number one, to the website, but I can meet you at, so just remember number two, is that okay with you? Come to my, oh no. Come to my, I want to hear about all about your trip to the, okay, number four, factory. I also want to show you the photos of the that we're going to put in the next month. So number six, please bring the seven to our meeting. I want to look at those two. So I've got to collect some, number eight, tickets in the lunch break. So I'm sorry, I can't join you for lunch. Enjoy your, it always tastes so good. I had problems with my car engine this morning, so had to get a. So number 10. So we have 12 answer. Okay, just remember that. I think it's going to letter so you can give me a left home this afternoon. I live in Stone Street, which is very near the. I've got to hurry to the meeting now. See you later, Richard Wild. So we have a 12. Okay, just remember that, okay? Okay, so let's answer that letter, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So look at the picture. So what do you think he does at work each day? Okay, so can you read that?
Answers the phone. Writes messages. Goes on websites. Talk to lot of people. Tells people to do things. Has meeting things out. Give ideas. Sells things. This is the stories.
Okay, so that is he does at work each day. So if you are in work, right? If you are in work, you will answer the phone, write messages, works on websites, talk to lots of people, tells people to do things, has meetings, thinks of new ideas, sell things, and visit factories. So if you are going to work, just remember that that is your daily work, or that is your daily, what is that? Routine. Okay?
Okay.
So for example, what kind of business has he got or you choose? Example, if you have a business, what kind of business do you want to choose? What kind of business?
Business admin.
Okay. So in your own, what kind of business do you want? Example, his business, he sells bicycles, rackets, hot air balloons. So what is your business do you want?
Business. Business. Okay.
Business. What kind of business do you want if you are going to what is that? You are at the proper age or exact age. What do you want?
I want
Example, second example, he makes chocolate, phones, computer application, pasta, trainers, pajamas, racing bikes. That is his business. Example, you, yes, example,
he
you,
says bicycles.
what is that?
He says bicycle.
Okay, so your business want to sell a bicycle, right?
Yes.
Okay, so next example, he works in a theater, a cinema, a restaurant, and a bank, a museum. That is his business, right? So let's choose your own business context of words and complete the email. Okay, so you ready? Okay, so that is the answer. Why? Because he chose a racing bikes, right? Okay, so you can read it now because there's already an answer. Okay, so please read it.
Okay. Yes. Good morning, Glenn. Thanks for your message. Actually, a report on engineers meeting at 9:30 and after that I need to add some important information about our West by
Racing bikes.
reaching bus to the website, but I can meet you at 11:30. Is that okay with you? Come to my new office. I want to hear all about your trip to the mm, to the wheels.
Okay, to the
But
wheels.
sorry, I also want to show you the photo of the curtain that we're going to put in the magazine
Magazine. Next
magazine
next month.
next month. Please bring the DVDs to our meeting. I want to look at this too. Thank you. I want to collect some cinema tickets in the long week, so I'm sorry I can't join you for lunch. Enjoy your dessert. It always tastes
Taste
so good.
too good.
Tastes so good. I had problems with my car again this morning, so had to get a taxi into the town. I think it's going to snow later, so can you give me a lift home this afternoon? I live in Stone Street, which is very near the big supermarket. I got to hurry to the meeting now. See you later, Will.
Richard.
Richard.
wild?
Wild.
Okay, are you okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you are okay?
Okay.
So let's... Okay, good morning, Dan. Just wait. So that is the email or the business context about racing bike, and they have a meeting, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. So now look at the 3 pictures. Write about this story. Write 20 or more words. So look at in the first picture. What can you see in the first picture?
I see. I see.
What do you think? In the first picture, we see that there are people outside, right?
Yes.
Okay, what happened? There is a people inside in the who? What is that? Look at his computer, right? And there is also a people. Look at what happened to him. Their papers are flying, right?
Yes. Flying.
Okay, in the second picture, what happened? The 3 people will help to the old man. Okay, look at. Okay, so they help the old man. So in the third picture, they already pick up the paper for the old man, and look at. The 3 of
Yes.
us are talking to the old man. Okay? So let's
Okay.
find out what is the story behind. Okay, so I will read first. Okay, Mr. Bell was late for work. He ran quickly along the street. Outside his office, he fell over on some ice. So what happened? So this is Mr. Bell, right? He
Yes.
going to work late. So he ran quickly along the street. So outside in the office, there is some ice. Okay? So next, please read it.
On the things in his back fell onto the ground. Some people come to hit him. Get up again. And a bird gave me the bill. His glasses and the rat
Piece and the last piece of paper.
of paper.
Okay, so look at. The people will help Mr. Bell to get it up again. And look at, there is a bird, right? The bird gave to Mr. Bell his glasses and the last piece of paper. Okay?
Okay.
So Mr. Bell was very pleased and said, "Thank you to everyone." Okay.
Two words.
2 words or 1 word?
What's up?
Okay. We write there's like this because when we speak, there's sounds like on word. It's quicker and easier to say it like on word. So for example, there is, right? Did you know that? There's is, there is. So for example, there's a desk, there's a light, there's a bookcase, and there's a computer. Okay, example. It's. So what is that? In 2 words.
It is.
Okay. It
It
is.
is.
Okay, in 2 words. How about don't in 2 words?
Don't. Don't not.
Yes, very good.
Not.
Yes, that is correct. Do not. How about
The.
your?
The. You are.
Okay, very good. You are. How about I? I've.
I. I. I have.
Yes, I have. I. Okay, how about where?
We are.
Good job. How about I'm?
Am. I am.
Okay, I am. How about can't?
Can. Cannot.
Yes,
Cannot.
correct. Cannot. Okay, so that is our 2 words going to 1 word. Okay? So
Okay.
note, whose and whose sounds exactly the same, and in whose and theirs the S is pronounced S. But after the T in it's the S sounds pronounced S. Okay?
Okay.
So let's answer. Play the game the verb noun chain. Oh, just wait for a while. Previews. So, example. Look at. Arrive at work.
Borrow.
Borrow a laptop.
Laptop. Clean the
Brush.
teeth. Brush
Yes.
the hair.
Yes.
Dress up in a costume.
How about
Costume.
this? Okay, cruise out a word. Again, then build a model. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so please read that.
Yes. I dry at work. For a laptop. Brush your hair. You a model. Clean your teeth. Brush out a word. Dress up in a costume. Email a website. Enter a competition. Go up in the lift. Hot your knee. Event.
Invent.
Event. Matching.
Machine.
Machine. Now at a car, cartoon.
Carton. Okay.
Cartoon. Meet a film star. Open a computer program. Host a birthday. about a car. Turn down the stars. Sell a computer. Fail. Set of set for information. Being some money. Paying someone. TV your desk. Turn off the lights. Wait for a bus. What the news?
Okay, watch the news. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, behind are the verb, noun, and chain. So, email, go up, enter, an event, spend, open, TD, turn up, wait for, and run. Okay, you are going to sleep now. Okay, next. Okay, you have already again a homework. Okay, hello. Please tell me about your day at work. How do you travel to work? So you have a work. You don't have a work, right? So what's the first thing you do? Tell me about a special person that you work with. Where do you usually have lunch? What do you do in the afternoon? So this is your answer. Mm. Where do you usually have lunch? In your house only?
Yes, I only learn.
So in your house. So what do you do in the afternoon? Example, what do you do in the afternoon?
I play game.
Okay, you like to play game. For example, what job do you like?
I like doctor. No, pilot.
Okay, wow, you like a pilot. So what do you think? A pilot, the first thing to do
Uh,
if you are going up, if you are become a pilot.
pilot.
Okay, what is the first thing to
Pilot.
do? Yes.
Pilot. Hmm, a pilot because a pilot. Lots of money.
Okay, so the first thing to do if you are going to become a pilot, you will check the, what is that? The airplane, right? You will check the airplane.
Yes.
Yes. So that is the first thing you do. So if you are
I like fly
yes.
in the sky.
Okay, you like flying in the sky. You like to explore in the sky? Yes.
I don't know.
Okay, so if you are going, if you like to become a pilot, so please always study, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that you can achieve your dreams to become a pilot, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye. See you next time. Okay, good
Goodbye.
night. Please always study, okay? Okay. Do you know how to sing goodbye song? Can I hear your
Bye.
voice to sing? Okay, let's sing together.
Okay. Um,
Okay, go. Bye. Goodbye. Bye, bye, bye,
no,
bye.
I'm not here.
What? Do you know that song? Yes or no?
I cannot hear.
Okay, you cannot hear. What kind of song, what kind of goodbye song did you know? Can you sing me? Okay, so do you want to sing or no? Okay, do you have a song, a goodbye song?
No.
Okay, so I will sing a goodbye. Okay. I can stomp my feet. Do you know that song? I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.
See you on
See you on Saturday. Bye bye. Good job.
Bye.